Hello, kids! This is Teacher Heidi, your online learning buddy. Let's read, learn, and have fun together. Today, we are going to practice reading comprehension. The Mystery Footprints. Mia woke up to find a light blanket of snow covering her yard. As she looked out the window, she saw a line of tiny footprints leading from the woods straight to the bird feeder. She put on her coat and walked outside to investigate. At the bottom of the pole, she found a tiny gray squirrel buried in the snow, munching happily on a sunflower seed. And now, it's your turn to read, children. And now, let's answer the following questions. Number 1. What was covering the yard when Mia woke up? A. Snow. B. Leaves. C. Rain. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is A. Snow. Question number 2. Where did the footprints lead? A. To the front door. B. To a neighbor's house. C. To the bird feeder. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is C. To the bird feeder. Question number 3. What animal made the footprints? A. A bird. B. A squirrel. C. A cat. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is B. A squirrel. Question number 4. What color was the squirrel? A. Brown. B. Black. C. Gray. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is C. Gray. Question number 5. What was the animal eating? A. A sunflower seed. B. An apple. C. Breadcrumbs. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is A. A sunflower seed. The Lost Compass. Leo found a small, dusty compass in his grandfather's attic. When he took it outside, the needle didn't point north. Instead, it pointed directly toward the old oak tree in the backyard. Leo ran to the tree and saw a shiny metal tin buried under a big root. Inside the tin was an old photograph of his grandfather as a young boy holding the exact same compass. And now it's your turn to read, children. And now, let's answer the following questions. Number 1. Where did Leo find the compass? A. In the backyard. B. In his grandfather's attic. C. At school. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is B. In his grandfather's attic. Question number 2. Where did the needle point? A. Toward the old oak tree. B. Toward the north. C. Toward the garage. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is A. Toward the old oak tree. Question number 3. What was buried under the root? A. A key. B. A wooden box. C. A shiny metal tin. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is C. A shiny metal tin. Question number 4. What was inside the tin? A. An old photograph. B. Gold coins. C. A map. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is A. An old photograph. Question number 5. Who was in the photograph? A. Leo. B. Leo's grandfather. C. Leo's father. What is the correct answer? You're right. The correct answer is B. Leo's grandfather. Thank you for watching, kids. Please like, share, and subscribe. God bless everyone.